Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geek and Noise, and I've got a really exciting announcement for you today. Now you can see on camera this Kodak Playtouch video camera. Now this isn't going to be a full review of this product. I'm going to give you a quick look at it and then I'm going to explain exactly what I'm going to be doing with this really nice little video camera. Now this is one of these sort of pocket camcorders, and it's capable of capturing 5 megapixel stills, but it also captures 1080p video. And what makes this little camera unique is it's got an accelerometer built into it, so you can record in either format, and it's also got a built-in touchscreen display. Now you can touch on it to gain access to the settings, for example, or if I'm playing back one of my previously recorded videos, you can actually use the on-screen controls to play back the video as well. So it's got some really nice features in it, nice optics on the front, as you can see. So a very, very nice looking camera. Let me just turn this off as well, just give you a look on the top. There's a switch here so you can switch between normal mode or macro mode. There's also an input here, which also acts as an output, so it's sort of like a dual audio jack. You can use it for plugging headphones in, but you can also use it for plugging in an external microphone. And on this side here we've got a little output here for an AV cable. We've got a little cover here as well. If I just take this cover off, you can see we've got an HDMI output. We've got an input there for a charger or for running this off of a DC power supply. And round this side, this is where the SD card goes, and it accepts SD or SDXC cards. If I just pop this one out, you can see that I've got in here a 16GB SDHC card. So great that it records direct to memory card. It's also got a tripod mount on the bottom and a lanyard connector as well, so quite a nice featured camera. Now as I said, this isn't going to be a full review, and I've got a really good announcement for you. So you can see here I've got a Kodak Playtouch camera, and here I've got another one, and here I've got another one. So exactly why have I got 3 of these Kodak cameras? Let me just pop these out of the box. So I've got another one here and number 3. Now this is the big announcement. Kodak very kindly sent me these cameras to test, and what I'm going to be doing is over the next month, so starting from today, for a whole month I'm going to be using these Kodak cameras in a multi-angle setup. So all of my videos, all of my video reviews, the Q&A sessions are all going to be recorded with the Kodak Playtouch. So it's going to give you an idea of how this camera performs. Now not only am I going to be using the Kodak Playtouch with its built-in microphone, I'm also going to be doing some tests of some external mics as well. Here I've got like a Sony clone microphone. You can actually pick up these stereo mics on the likes of eBay, and I think even Amazon sell them by some of their merchant resellers, and under £10 for a little microphone like that. So I'm going to be showing you some tests using that external mic as well. And I'm also going to be using, this is my normal mic. This is a wireless kit from Sennheiser. It's the EW100G2. The current model of this is the G3, and one of these plugs into the Kodak Playtouch or whichever video camera you're using. The other one, you sort of attach it via the buckle on the back to your belt, and you use this lapel type mic, so it gives you a wireless microphone setup. So I'm also going to be testing that during my videos as well. So it's going to be an exciting month. I'm going to show you on screen how I'm going to set these up actually, to give you an idea of what the multi-angle setup's going to look like. So this will give you some idea of how I'm intending to set up the Kodak Playtouches. You can see one here. This is going to be called camera number 3, and this is sitting off to my left hand side. This is where I normally sit to do my Q&A sessions. So this will give you a different angle of view on the action that's going on. And then if I just move round to this side of my studio, this one here, if I just turn this one on, This is going to be called camera number 2, and this one is angled down to my right hand side. It'll give you again a different viewpoint on the Q&A sessions, and also if I'm doing a product review it'll give you some close-up shots of the product that I'm reviewing as well. And then if I move backwards in my studio and come back to show you this one here is camera number 1, and this is the camera you're going to see for the wide angle shots, and it's probably also the camera that I'm going to attach an external microphone to. So when I'm doing my Q&A sessions, this one will come into play a lot, because this will give you all of the wide angle shots that you see during my videos. So I bet you're all wondering why I undertook such a project. Well, at the moment I use a Panasonic SD700, and it's a HD camera and it costs around about the £600 to £700 mark. I've also got a Canon 60D, which again is round about the £700 mark. And I wanted to show you what you could achieve with a cheaper price point camera. These Kodak Playtouches sell for around about the £179 mark, or if you pay the full retail price £199. So you could buy 3 of these for the cost of one of those Panasonic SD700s. So I think it's a very worthwhile experiment, and it's going to give you a chance to see how these little cameras perform under all different conditions. So I hope you keep watching the Geek and Noise channel, and I hope you enjoy the footage that is shot with the Kodak Playtouch. Please let me know if you've got any questions at all in any of the comments of the videos I produce using these cameras. And until next time, have a great day. This video review is sponsored by EasyDraw, making drawing fun on Mac OS X.